WELLHIKE Folding Card Stove, ultralight power for your outdoor culinary adventures. The WELLHIKE Folding Card Stove is a game changer for outdoor cooking, combining exceptional portability with robust performance. Designed for adventurers who prioritize lightweight gear without sacrificing cooking power, this stove is an indispensable addition to any camping, backpacking, or hiking kit. Key features: ultra lightweight and portable, say goodbye to bulky stoves. The WELLHIKE Folding Card Stove is incredibly lightweight, allowing you to travel light and maximize your pack space. Its compact, folding design ensures effortless storage and transport, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor excursion. Effortless folding and storage. This stove's intuitive folding mechanism allows for quick and easy setup and takedown. When not in use, it folds down to a remarkably small size, fitting comfortably into your backpack or even a pocket. Safe and reliable operation. Engineered with safety in mind, the WELLHIKE stove is designed to be leak-proof and provide stable, consistent firepower. This ensures safe and reliable cooking, allowing you to focus on enjoying your outdoor experience. Adjustable firepower for precise cooking. Achieve perfect cooking results every time with the adjustable firepower control. This feature allows you to fine-tune the flame intensity, giving you precise control over your cooking temperature. Powerful 2900W output. Despite its compact size, this stove packs a punch with a 2900W firepower output. This powerful flame ensures rapid boiling and efficient cooking, allowing you to prepare meals quickly and easily. Uniform heating. The stove's design promotes even heat distribution, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly and prevents hot spots. Versatile for various outdoor scenes. Whether you're camping, backpacking, fishing, or simply enjoying a picnic, the WELLHIKE Folding Card Stove is adaptable to a wide range of outdoor scenarios. Benefits: maximum portability, travel light and save space with this ultra-compact stove. Convenient setup and storage. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with its easy-to-use folding design. Safe and reliable cooking. Cook with confidence knowing your stove is designed for safety. Precise temperature control. Achieve perfect cooking results with adjustable firepower. Powerful performance. Prepare meals quickly with the 2900W output. Even cooking. Experience uniform heating for consistently delicious food. Adaptable to any adventure. Versatile enough for a wide range of outdoor activities. Overall, the WELLHIKE Folding Card Stove is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast who values portability, performance, and safety. Its lightweight design, powerful output, and adjustable firepower make it an ideal choice for cooking delicious meals in the great outdoors.